docmotivate here, and again, going to give you a new method today. So if you're not getting any results with your credit restoration, you're doing your CFPB complaints, you're doing your FTC complaints, you're writing them, not really getting the results, maybe it is time to attack their registered agent. Yes, attack Equifax's Experian registered agent, okay? So you can go on the site, Georgia's Corporation Division, and you can get Equifax's registered agent information. You type in Equifax Information Services. You go down, you're going to see their registered agent for Equifax, which will be Corporation Service Company. And their address will be 2 Sun Court Suite 400 Peachtree Corners, GA 30092. And that's going to be Equifax's. Find experience with Experian and get the results you want, man. Tongue twister right there, right? So contact Experian. You're not getting the results. Get their results with their registered agent. Stop playing these games with these people, man. It's time to get to that bag. So you can send your first letter off normal, make copies of what you're sending to the registered agent. If they don't respond, send it off again, certified. You don't got to wait the 30 days with these people. Chill.